What is it, hello?
Monopoly.
Monopoly?
And it's not Monopoly Junior either.
What is it? Wow, cool.
And it also has the speed die.
Cool.
What's a speed die?
Don't know.
I know how to use speed die.
How about Shoshana? What'd you get?
It feels like two things. A small box and a big box.
Let's see.
Hello.
Oh, Cadelia's helping you.
No, he's just painting it.
Operation.
Operation, another good game. You ever play that game?
I could have
Where you're gonna grow up and be a doctor, right? Shoshana.
Now it's your turn.
Thank you.
Schiffer, what'd you get?
I don't know.
Bonus die.
It is.
Ooh. Rebound. That's a cool game. It's like pinball. I had that when I was a little boy.
Rebound.
I made it. Thank you.
Now it's Gedalia's turn.
Yes, you may. Gedalia is gonna open Eliezer's present because Eliezer's napping.
No, it's my one.
Okay, what'd you get? What is it? You're so good at opening presents. What is it? Wow, it's Little People.
Little animal.
Can you say thank you?
Can I say thank you?
Gedalia, can you say thank you to me? At the camera? No, you can't, can you? All right, guys. Chag Sameach to Ramona. And to Tzvi and to Chana and to Uncle Richie. Chag Sameach, guys. Thanks.